What is this just going to be added?
Add real numbers?
Pretty much.
Yes, let's go.
Now,
What is it going to be?
I kind of said this yesterday, just adding.
Oh.
But it's adding real numbers. So it could be decimals, it could be fractions, it could be negative numbers, positive numbers. Okay?
Not fractions. I hate that.
So
Yeah, Drew hates fractions.
I hate fractions.
I don't mind them.
I feel like, yes.
What are fake numbers?
They're not fake numbers, they're imaginary numbers. The square root of a negative number is an imaginary number. I'm going to tell you that if you just opened your book and you looked at how they were teaching you to add, you would probably think, what are they doing? Okay, because they tell you to do things like use a number line to find the sum. Like, what? Just add the numbers together.
One way to add.
Now, if you're a super visual person and you want to do that, you are welcome to, but I'm going to trust that we can add. Okay, so.
I passed the first grade.
Wait, add is the one with the line with the 2 dots.
Okay. So, some rules of addition. Basically, if we add 2 numbers with the same sign,
Do you have a pencil?
yeah, lots of them.
Do you have a pencil? Can I grab one?
Yeah, what kind of pencil do you want? Do you want a regular pencil?
Yeah.
Just like tried and true?
Whatever you got.
I feel like something just happened, but
What did
whatever.
I do? I just turned around and everybody started laughing.
I don't know.
You know, that really hurt my feelings because
Adding 2 numbers with the same sign. We add the values and keep the sign. Okay, so if I have like 5 plus 3, we add them together. That's 8. Oh, look, it's going to solve it for me.
Wait, can I do my homework that
is that Apple Intelligence?
Hold up.
Now, if I did -5 plus -3, or just -3, I don't remember which way the book writes them. I think they write them as plus a negative number, like that. It would be what? No.
Oh, -8.
-8.
I can't even see it.
We add the 2 numbers together. 5 plus 3 is 8, and they're both negative, so we keep the sign. It's -8.
No.
Alright, I need to lock it. Isn't that right, Stacey?
Yes. Now, adding 2 numbers with different signs.
Am I failing your class?
I don't think you are.
I spelled
I'm
addition
gonna
wrong.
say, yeah, different signs. What? I have no idea what's happening.
What is spelling this is wrong?
Just Drew. I'm not in the 8th grade.
Adding 2 numbers with different signs, we subtract the smaller number from the larger number. And keep the sign of the larger number. So if I have something like -13 plus 7, what I'm really doing is subtracting 7 from 13, and then I'm keeping the sign of the bigger number. Okay? So 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 is bigger, so this is going to be negative 6. It's magic.
Are we allowed to use that for homework?
No,
Apple Intelligence?
because your paper doesn't just automatically throw the answer up there for you.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Like get a smart notebook or something.
That's one way to do it.
What it's called, and it's just a regular sheet of paper.
If I have 16 plus negative 4, we subtract the numbers. So we subtract the smaller from the larger. So 16 minus 4, we keep the sign of the bigger number. So this would be what? 12. Oh no.
Oh.
Come back. I don't like their 2s. They irritate me.
Why did I decide?
I don't know. It drives me insane. The 7s are kind of crooked too. All right. So hopefully you've seen that before. You know that without me even having to explain it. I would hope that you could add and subtract numbers. Now, we do have some properties that you may or may not have heard before. So properties of addition. For the sake of this section, you pretty much will only be asked to state which property is being used on a couple problems. When you get to Algebra 2, it'll ask you what property you're using each step to solve an equation. And they all hated that section, and I think they missed every single one on their test and quiz. But that's just because they didn't listen. Commutative property.
Are you referring to us?
No, Algebra 2. I'm just going to do this. I'm not going to write it in words. I'm going to write it in symbols. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So it doesn't matter which order I write them. They're equal to the same thing. The associative property is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. The identity property is A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. And the inverse property is A plus negative A is equal to negative A plus A is equal to 0. All right. Ready for some problems?
I love your YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure I've
Thanks.
watched like every video.
Some of my videos that are listed as private are probably more entertaining than my math videos, but
Wait, what? Why do you have private videos?
because I had to do them for like a college class that I had to take.
Oh, dude, I think your most viewed video is like an answer sheet or something.
It is for this
It's
class.
got like 2,000 views.
It does. Kind of comical, but all right. -1 plus 6. What is that equal to?
It's 5.
-1 plus 6 is 5.
Yep. 8. This is going to feel like a speed draw from elementary school. -8 plus -2. -10, yep. Add them together, keep the sign. 10. 6 plus -12. Negative 6.
Yeah.
Alright, pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
What if I gave you 4.3 plus negative 10.2?
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
6.1. No, 5.1. I don't know. I'm confused.
Negative 5.9. So if we need a refresher, okay, if you're like, I can't do that in my head, don't want to do it in your head, whatever, we do the bigger number minus the smaller number because they have opposite signs. So 10.2 minus 4.3. Borrow. So that's 9, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So that's 5.9, and then we keep the sign of the bigger number. 16. Negative 6.5 plus negative 7.1.
13.6.
Negative 13.6. They both have the same sign, so we keep it and just add the numbers together. 18. 4 1/5 plus negative 9 1/2.
Why are you doing this to us?
It's.
So there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can convert these to decimals. I can make them improper fractions and get a common denominator and combine them. Or that's pretty much it. So,
I know it.
which way do you want to do this?
Decimals.
Probably decimals, I'm going to assume. Yeah. Okay.
5.8.
So 4 point, what is 1/5 as a decimal?
0.2.
So this is going to be 4.2.
5.35.
Huh?
What?
I don't know. I think that's the
Dude,
answer.
1/2 as a decimal is 0.5, so plus a negative 9.5. So negative 5.3.
Oh, I put it
Now,
into it.
the answer in the book is going to be in fraction form. I don't care which way you do it to solve. Obviously, it's going to be equal to the same thing, and I'm going to assume that you're probably going to do decimals rather than fractions anyways. So that would be your answer for that one.
So, like, can we get extra credit if we don't do it that way?
No.
Okay, I don't have to do that.
How about 22?
22, I got you.
Negative 3 3/7 plus negative 14 3/4. Now, 3/7 is probably not a decimal that you're as inclined to know. So just for the sake of practice, I'm going to do this one as an improper fraction. Okay? So this is going to become 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. So negative 24/7 plus over here 4 times 14. Is that 26, 59? No, 56. Oh, 56 plus 3 is 59. There we go. Over 4, that's negative. Now I can combine, well, I need to get a common denominator. What would my common denominator be for 7 and 4? 28, so I'm going to multiply this one by 4/4 and this one by 7/7.
Oh, wait, that's actually pretty smart because I've never learned.
So then that would be negative 96 over 28 minus 59 and 7, 41, 413 over 28. I'm going to make sure that's right. 59 times 7. Yeah. And then combine this stuff.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you should know how to do this already.
Yeah, this is easy.
Negative 509 over 28. I would be okay with you leaving it like this and not going any farther to make it a mixed number.
Wait, can't you take like both of the negatives and make it a positive, and then
That's if you're
be a
multiplying.
negative?
That's if you're multiplying. Negative times negative is positive.
But it's negative minus negative.
It's not negative minus negative. It's negative
That's
plus
a
a negative.
That's a negative.
Technically, this is.
Oh. I didn't even notice that you did that. That's so cool.
All right, the next problems have us using the properties that we wrote down up here. So these 4 properties and just stating which property is being used. So 26, negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. So I'm looking up here, my properties. Well, I have A plus a negative A, or negative A plus A is equal to 0. That's the inverse property. So all you would need to write is inverse prop. Like that. And that's fine. You can abbreviate it. (28) 9 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 9. Which property am I using here?
Oh, wait, it's commutative.
Yep, commutative property. Now, if you look in the book, they're going to say of addition on all of these. That's because there's also these properties for multiplication. We just haven't done that yet. But I'm not worried about that for right now. 30, x plus 2, and then plus 3 equals x plus 2 plus 3. Which property is being used here? Associative. All right, find the sum. Negative 13 plus 5 plus negative 7. Negative 15.
Negative 15.
Yeah, whatever Sean said. Not that Sean did.
So when I have a problem like this, if there's different signs being used, I like to combine the ones that have the same sign because I'm adding them and keeping that sign, and then I do the other part. So in my head, I did negative 13 minus 7 to give me negative 20, and then I added 5 to give me negative 15. 34.47 plus negative 1.8 plus negative 3.8.
We're supposed to solve that right now.
Yeah.
Wait, it's 6 point. Wait.
Drew, I got this one.
It's 6.07.
No.
Oh, negative 6.13.
Good job. Tear it up.
Yeah.
Negative. Yes. So we would add these two things together and keep the sign. So that would be 6 point, carry the 1. So 5.6, negative 5.6, and then subtract off the 0.47, and then that would give us that with the sign of the bigger number. All right, evaluate the expression for the given value of x. So it's basically the same thing. They're just telling you what x is after the fact, and you have to plug in x. So 38. 3 plus x plus negative 7, and x is equal to 6. So I just need to plug in 6 for x, so it would be 3 plus 6 plus negative 7. Three plus 6 is 3 plus 6 is not 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. Minus 7 is 2. All right, are we okay on this stuff?
Yeah.
All right, problems.
6, 7.
I'm gonna do three through 19, every other odd. Y'all know what that means? 3, skip 5, 7, skip 9, 11, skip 13. Okay. And then 27, 29, 31, 33, 37, 39, and 41.